Look, they don't teach you this stuff in school, but as a man, there's certain rules of money all dudes should know and follow, live by even. Let's hop into this. Rule number 1, make more money. I know, sounds counterintuitive, but nobody talks about it enough. See, most people, especially in our cultures, and I'm talking about at least Latino culture, but most of the time, they see money as this taboo thing. Oh, money's the root of all evil. No, it's not. It's not this big scary thing. Yeah, don't be obsessed with it. Don't idolize it. But your goal should be to understand money, how it works, how it's generated, how it's lost. You need to understand how this thing flows. This is the currency we use to win in life. So you need to understand how it works so you can make more of it. You would be surprised as to how much more extra money you can make weekly or monthly if you were to just study it. All right, how can I earn more? What can I do? What value can I provide? And I promise you, bro, an extra 20 a month, that would be simple. 100 a month, how comfortable would an extra 100 be? Or maybe an extra 500, or maybe an extra 1,000. You start today, start learning it and working at it, you'd be surprised as to how much more you can make monthly. Number 2, not all debt is bad. Again, the debt that we know, I'm talking again, usually as a person of color, as a Latino, the debt that I knew growing up was, all right, you get a debt for a car. You get a debt on your credit cards when you're trying to go on a vacation or something. See, so the debt that I always knew were depreciating assets, were assets that actually brought no value to you. So debt was always seen as this big bad thing, like, oh my God, our cars are maxed out, or oh my God, this guy's in debt. Like, it was always seen negatively, which, by the way, that debt is terrible. But what the rich know is that not all debt is bad. Certain debt you can manipulate and use to your advantage to buy assets that appreciate at a faster rate or at a higher return than what you owe on the debt. And that spread is their profit, and they're not even using their own money. It's genius. But your first goal should be, before you get to that upper level, cover the cheap debt, cover the expensive debt, cover the debt that's keeping you under stress. See, most people are under loads of credit card debt, loads of personal loan debt that they just can't breathe because the interest rates are literally highway robbery. That's the debt you need to pay down first. That's where our sponsor Upstart comes in. See, Upstart powered personal loans can help you pay off some of that high interest debt. All online with simple, easy to use and easy to understand payment plans. Upstart has helped over 1.8 million customers towards their path of financial freedom. Whether that's paying off credit cards, consolidating high interest debt, funding personal expenses, Upstart can help you get one monthly payment with one clear payoff date. Upstart knows that you're more than just your credit score. So rather than looking at your credit score alone, Upstart's model considers other factors like your income, employment, and other information that you provided in your loan application. All of this to find a smarter rate for your loan. You can check your rates and minutes for loans between $1,000 and $50,000 without affecting your credit score. You can even receive funds as fast as one business day after approving and signing your loan. Don't wait. Check your rate today by going to upstart.com/TMF. I'm going to have the link down below so it's easily clickable, but again, that's upstart.com/TMF. Number 3, easy money is a joke. Look, real money is not supposed to be easy unless it's a scam or illegal. The whole idea of passive income, lay back and money just starts coming in, non-existent. Whoever is selling you that is selling you smoke. Matter of fact, I wouldn't even say illegal. Shoot, there's people that do criminal activities that probably still bust their behind just to make that revenue. So it's mainly just a scam because people love easy things, but it wasn't supposed to be easy. The idea is you provide value, you create value, you problem solve, you make somebody's life easier, which by definition means that you're going to have to create something, you're going to have to put in some sort of work, and then revenue comes in. So when it comes to money, I do not want you to go into the mindset of, oh man, I only want to work 2 days a week and be a millionaire. Bro, you're going to shortchange yourself. Your path to a millionaire is probably going to be a very long one because there's going to be some dude that's putting in the 7 days that's going to get there way before you do. Number 4, control your expenses. Look, until you reach that FU money status, you should be smart with how you're spending your money. And most of our money, about 50% of it goes towards food, which is insane. Yo, and it's true, by the way. If I were to show you my DoorDash and Uber Eats bill, I think most of you would not believe me. It's insane. Like, it's ridiculous, honestly, just how much we spend just on ordering food. Food, which you could meal prep at home, save yourself that money. These are those expenses that you should not be wasting on when you're starting to scale early. And ultimately, number 5, do not finance your college. I'm not saying not to go to college because I actually agree with college. What I'm saying is it is financially stupid and risky to finance $200,000 worth of debt on a degree that's probably only going to yield you a job that pays $40K a year. I want you to understand from the business side, there is no business that's a Ponzi scheme. There's no business that's actually sustainable where you invest $200,000 and you get $40K back. Like, that's insane. So, if this is the route you're taking, I'm not telling you not to go to college. I'm telling you, pick the right degree. Do your research. What degree will yield me the highest return after I graduate? If you're gonna invest that much money, you gotta be sure you're gonna get that money back. And then on top of that, you need to work your butt off in the early years to make sure you can get as many scholarships as possible so it's on their dime and not on yours. And that's basically it for me today, boys. Those are 5 money rules every man should live by. See you guys next time.